Hey guys, so today's tutorial is going to be on this look right here. As you will see in the tutorial, I didn't have anything planned. I just kind of went with the flow. I tried a lot of new makeup products in this video as well. This is the look that I will be showing you guys how to do today. So if you'd like to see how to do it, then just keep on watching. Just wanted to play with some stuff that I just got in the mail from a few different companies, and also like try out a mixture of foundation that I was thinking about may work. I don't know if it'll work, but today is more about trying makeup, having a little coffee, and yeah, we're gonna get started. So CoverGirl, which I'm so honored that CoverGirl reached out to me. Like, I still can't believe it, pinch myself. But they reached out to me and they sent some of these luminizing lotions. One is in the shade Daybreak and the other one is Sun-Kissed. They're not primers, I don't think. They're just supposed to give you a naturally luminous look to your skin. So I think I'm gonna go with the lighter one. It pumped out and it really looks like a foundation, but it's not a foundation. Let me just put it on. It smells like something I've smelled before. I don't know. I can't even describe it. It's like it's almost like, I don't know. I can't describe it. But that looks nice. A really natural glow that gave it. I like that product. Okay, and then the mixture of foundation that I just put together in my head. I don't know how it's gonna look once I get it on the skin. But mixing together, I'm gonna try this foundation out again. If you saw my review, you saw my opinion on it, so go ahead and check that out if you haven't seen it. So I'm gonna try this again and I'm gonna mix it with my Loreal True Match. And the reason why I'm deciding to mix these two together is because this foundation is more of a runny texture and this one is a more thick consistency. This one kind of dries to a more matte finish than the Bobbi Brown one. So I'm thinking the mixture of these may be good. Who knows? So I'm gonna just pump. Happy Friday, by the way. I'm just going to pump two. So I just went in the bathroom to get my beauty blender. It's in this paper towel. And that, what was it? This, the Vitalist Gold Glow, this makes your skin look so pretty. Like so pretty. It has vitamins E, B3, and B5. It's not just a like glowing product. It also has some benefits in it. So it's called a lightweight moisturizer actually. So I like this so far. Okay, now getting back to mixing, I'm going to add a little bit of the True Match now because I already added the Bobbi Brown. And then take my beauty blender and dip it into there. So that looks nice so far. I won't be able to completely tell until I see how it wears throughout the day. But so far, it looks really nice. That looks good. For concealer, I'm going to use the Koh Gen Do Moisture Fit Concealer in the shade 04 Beauty Blender. I'm so used to using my brush. I was headed for my brush. I was gonna use this CoverGirl Vitalist Healthy Concealer because like a few days ago I was like, I want to use this again because I can't remember what I thought about the concealer. I like it though. But when I sat down, my thought changed and I wanted to use this, but I forgot. Anyway, it's okay. We'll use it in another video. So I do like the Koh Gen Do concealer. The only thing is that I think it's creasing a little bit. Yep, it's creasing. So next up, so before I set my face, I'm going to do my brows. And I've tried this before, the Nudestix Eyebrow Stylus in gel. And I didn't too much like the color of the brow side, but I really like the fact that it comes with a brow gel, and this brow gel is actually good. And it's a small little thing, so it's easy for you to maneuver on your brows. And they came out with a new shade. So this shade is Ash Brown. So I'm gonna try this and see if I like this better. It's a little bit more gray than how I like my brows. I don't know if I like this. It also has the tip that I'm not fond of. It's not like a small tip. It's the triangular tip that I'm not a huge fan of, because I'm gonna have to clean up my brows. I love Nudestix, but I don't like that. Just gonna clean up my brows with the Maybelline Fit Me Concealer in the shade medium. Okay, I'm gonna brow gel them up. So for my concealer, I'm going to use the BenNye Banana powder. Blend out the creases. I'm gonna press this powder into my skin. I'm not going to dust it away or anything. We're just gonna press it to set it. And then I'm just take whatever's on my beauty blender and just tap it all across my face. I want to use the Loreal Celestial Bliss High Definition Eyeshadow Palette. Looks like this. It only has shimmer shades in here, so I am going to have to outsource to a different palette. But Loreal also has another one of my favorite palettes, which is the Uptown Chic palettes right here. So I'm gonna just use a mixture of those two. So I just brought you guys up a lot closer. I don't have zoom on this camera. That's why when I do my eye looks, they're kind of far away. I am going to eventually get a lens that zooms, but for the time being, I'll just bring it closer when I remember, like, so I may forget. I'm gonna start with this dark shade right here. And I'm just gonna press this all over the eyelid area. Because I'm seeing that it's a little fallout, I'm gonna add a bit of powder to catch it. All right, and then I'm going to take a transition color. I'm going to take this shade right here and just blend the edges of that dark brown. So this is a very light swatch, and this finger is dirty from that dark shadow. So I think I'm gonna go with this shade, which is Moonlight. And we're gonna put Moonlight all over the lid. And that dark brown base just gives the shadow a different look. And then you just want to take your blending brush and blend the edges. Now I'm going to take the shade Stardust and apply this as my inner corner bling. Now let's dust away, because I know it's bothering you guys, because it is bothering me. Let's dust away all this powder. All right, and now I don't really know why I'm about to do this, but I'm going to try the Rock and Roller liner from Nudestix. This is a new product from them, and I'm gonna use the shade Golden Rose and do a winged liner. I've never actually tried this on my eye before. I swatched it, but let's see how it works on the eye. That's nice. He gave me a really nice sharp wing with the little pizza cutter. You know, I'm just thinking about like the zoom in part that I just did. I don't know if I like that. Because I think I like the big picture of the eye look and not like so up close. Maybe I did it too up close. I don't know. Let me know what you guys think down below. Do you just like the way that I show my whole face? Or do you prefer me coming all the way in? Or if you just want me to be like this close, like if you fine with me just being this close, let me know what you guys think. So that was nice. I like that liner. I'm gonna go in with Kat Von D Trooper liner to just do a thin black line at the base. For my lower lash line, go in with that pink shade we used on our lid. But now I'm gonna go in with the part I'm most excited about. So last night I went to Walmart to get the Loreal Voluminous Superstar X Fiber Mascara. I've been seeing commercials on this mascara, and it really made me want to try this because it's a two-step mascara. And when I went to Walmart last night, it was the only one. And the only one was in the shade Soft Black. So this isn't the blackest version of this mascara, but it's black. It's just soft black. And there's step 1 and step 2. So let's see. There were no directions on the actual package. So I don't know how long I'm supposed to wait in between applications or anything. I don't know anything. So I'm just gonna do what I think. So this is step 1. And this is gonna prime for the step 2. Seems like my lashes are very separated with this step. And wiggle it my bottom lashes. So now we're gonna go in with step 2, and there are 2 different wands. This one has more of a curvedness to it. I don't know how long I'm supposed to wait. Okay, I'm gonna go in. Seems like it's tugging on my lashes and not really doing that much. Like it doesn't look that much different than the first step. I don't know about this. I think there's definitely a difference between me using the mascara and then not using the mascara. But I don't know if the step 2 did that much difference from just the step 1. I don't think it looks that much different. So yeah, I don't know about that. I do like L'Oreal's mascaras, but I don't know if I'm sold on this one yet. So I'm gonna throw on my current favorite lashes. I wrote it on here. They are the Eylure 128 lashes. And while they're getting tacky, I'm gonna bronze up my skin with the NYX Dark Tan Matte Bronzer. And then for highlight, I'm going to use the Maybelline Master Chrome Highlight. Okay, now we're gonna add blush, and I'm going to use the e.l.f. Dark Blush Palette, and I'm gonna use this one. Yeah. Let's blend that out. That may be a little too much. I think I'm gonna pair it with Nightmoth lip pencil. So the lip color that I'm using is the NYX Lip Lingerie in the shade Confident. And I'm making sure that I'm blending the color into my lip liner. And I'm going to spray my face with the Urban Decay All Nighter Setting Spray. Gets rid of the powdery look and keeps the makeup lasting all day. Thank you guys so much for watching this makeup tutorial. I really like the way that this makeup look came out. Make sure that you subscribe before you leave, and I promise I'll see you guys next time. Bye guys.